Oh, nice shot. That was a nice shot. Oh, you fucker. No. Ah! Ah! My.
Alright, yeah.
You. Ah, I got you. I got him through the hole. Why is that guy aiming at me?
Can they shoot you from spawn like that?
Yeah, if they have the range, yeah.
Oh, no, like this.
I know I have the range. That would help if I had a mag in it. Oh yeah, I definitely have range. It just very slowly get in there though.
Hey, so for like capture the flag, is it just keep shooting them or is it still respawn?
Yeah, this respawn. So you just don't have lives, you have unlimited.
Nice.
So you just walk back after you die.
So that's what this is?
No, we're not. It's just team deathmatch. Hey, how many respawns? Is it 2? 3?
3 lives, 2 respawns?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like last time, yeah.
Alright folks, one more time. 2 respawns, full auto is clear. You can run full auto in this game. We're just going to do a team deathmatch, so your only objective is to shoot the bad guys. Stand by for siren.
Oh, you're just out of my fucking range. I shot that guy a couple times, but it's alright. As long as he's having fun. That's all that really matters. Right side, right side, right side, right side, right side. Sorry, bud. Nice try. Oh, he just jumped in the trench. Hey, we got 3 guys coming up.
They're down.
I'm ready, I got you, I got you. Oh fuck, they're on a direct left, direct left, direct left. Left side! I'm sorry! You're crossing! Go ahead, you're good, you're good. I didn't mean to shoot you, Brian. Are you alright? Is it not shooting?
There's a guy wearing all blue.
He's already dead, I think. Hey, buddy. Alan's on our left, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think he's behind the inflatable, unless he died already. No, there's another guy. Yep, Alan's on the left side. You see his gun sticking out?
I see it.
Need help? You're good?
Yeah, I don't have that range
All right.
right now.
Oh, nice shot. That was a nice shot. Oh, you fucker. Go ahead. You're good, you're good, you're good.
No, bro, you fucking kicked me like I felt it hit my phone.
Already? You suck. Can't see. Oh, you got me. Grazed my arm. I'm gonna get back on this fucking thing and then run for it. Ah, go, go! Ah! Ah! You. Oh, I got you. Ah, I got you. I got him through the hole. Oh, that's a bad time. Hey, buddy. Ah! You want to truce it? Oh, what the f hit? Oh. No. My.
No, real quick. Alright, yeah, I got it fixed. Unless he wants it. If he wants it, then you can take it to him.
Here, take it to him.
Alright.
You know, some people they'll be like, oh, I'll just take my gun back.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the f is that coming from? Ooh, 2 for 1. They're right here. They're right here. Probably, hold on. Jerry, game. Yep.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
All right, folks,
Are you
let's head
gonna
on
behind
back.
the wooden wheels?
Yeah.
Jeez, fuck, man.
Hey,
Bags out, barrel
you shot
covers
me.
on. We're gonna take a
You
break
sure?
and we'll switch sides
Huh?
and do this game one more time.
Did I?
Sit on back for a break.
right there and then.
That was you. I was like, who fucking shot me?
Dude, you were giving me a hard time.
Oh, I give everybody a hard time. It's fun. I was nailing people though. It was crazy.
There you go.
Jerry!
I got you.
I got this.
Where I hit him too.
What? Me?
Why did I not get you in the head?
Hey, buddy.
Picked up.
Maybe this.
No, you missed.
This.
Alan grazed me. He shot me right in the face.
Hey, Ethan, who's shooting at you over there? I don't know. It was me.
Yeah, I didn't get shot by you.
I almost hit him. He wasn't.
Light him up.
Yeah, light me up. I don't care. Ethan shot me in the back, and I called that. He's like, just stand there with his gun. I was like, oh, you fucker.